Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Cut to You design team layout. Today's cut file is called Evergreen Wreath. I had to look in my planner there for the name. So it's this wreath right here. I've actually cut 4 of them. Probably maybe only going to use 3. I do have to get the inserts out, so we have those. We are using the Cocoa Vanilla Studio Storyteller. Still trying to use that up. Got all kinds of goodies and a stamp set there. We're going to be doing these 3 photos of my friends. So we have my bestie from the Northern Midwestie, Jamie. And then you guys know who Allie is. She is a fabulous creator on several design teams. She's on the Spiegel Mom with me. This is Jamie pouring a sour beer. It was super sour, and that is Allie tasting it. And I knew that she was going to make that face because I had just tasted it and was like, oh, good God, that is insane. So we have all these scraps and smaller paper pad there. What do we have as far as full sheets? We've got this one right here for my design. I don't think that's what I want to do. Ooh, we could use that one. We can fussy cut out some butterflies if need be. But since we're doing a wreath, I think we're going to pull that green sheet. And, well, I just can't seem to make myself cut into these papers. I could take some time to fussy cut these florals. Yes, 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 that is what we're going to do. So really what we've got going on here is I want to take the wreaths and I want to align them. Oh goodness. Kind of, sort of, like that. And then I want to use the wreath to like encompass my picture, right? So I can definitely get Allie in that one. I can definitely get Allie in this one. I'm just going to make sure I can get Jame in one, and I can. So I'm going to back the wreath in something. Let's quite possibly just do this paper. I think that would be fun. What's in the back? Just some cut aparts. Let's see what's in here. What do we got? What do we have? All right. So I've got that all completed. And we're going to put it a bit like that. Then I'm going to take, I've got these 5 strips and I scuffed the edges up. I did mat it. I felt like it was, needed. We're going to stick that guy there. And we're gonna tuck that one under there ish. Gonna try to hide him a little bit better. And put one down here. And there. Somehow make it all work, right? Let's just do. So we got that. And then we'll take this one and we'll put a little bit of that up there for a little embellishment. So I'm going to get that all adhered down. I do have some small things fussy cut, so we're going to figure this out. Yes, we are. So I'm going to glue this all down. Maybe instead of just talking about it, I just do it. So we'll put this guy right there. And just put X right there in the middle. We can just tack that down. That guy there. And then come in with this guy. Roughly about there. And then we're just gonna see where that needs to go. So I didn't actually push. So this guy's gonna sit right there. And this is just gonna rest right there, so then we'll just come in and tack these. So you could make shaker packets out of these. That would be fun. All right, now we need to put some of these pretty little florals in there. So we're going to create a little floral cluster somewhere. I have foam dots. Let's see if I can find those, huh? Okay. I knew I had them somewhere. So, just gonna get this guy stuck on there. And let's come in with the yellow. And so the other thing that you can do is curl. We're breaking everything. I just broke everything. So let's just pinch the edges of these up. And same with this, we're just going to pinch them. And that's since they're popped up, but that's also going to give them a little bit more of a realistic view. So they'll be a little, you know, because flowers aren't, you know, flat. And just kind of overlap them. And then we got this guy, so we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to pinch all the petals and the leaves. So I do hope you guys are all having a fabulous weekend. It is still morning time here on Sunday the 28th of July, because I'm just desperately, and so it's easy if you just kind of pinch together and then you pinch it. Give it some sort of little crease. You could use a tool to do whatever you need. I'm just going to stick this little guy right in there. I have tabby dots somewhere too. I just didn't grab those. Get them stuck in there. I have another blue one. So I did sit there and fussy cut, but I do have more that can be fussy cut. So obviously you've seen all the paper. This is like the collection that never wants to die for me, which is kind of cool, but at the same time, like, ooh. You know, just ready to use something else. Alright, and then we can come in with like a couple little flat ones. And I may have to go back and fussy cut a little more. Let's actually come in and pop this pink one up. Kind of keep going. So this is taking forever, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this and keep building up these little floral clusters, and then we'll add all the other embellishments together. So I went ahead and created the floral cluster here, a floral cluster here. Weird random title for me. Hello, beautiful. I am a storyteller. We're gonna put the worst right here, because that was the worst thing ever. And let's pop. Oh snap, somewhere. Put that one right there. And then, but I don't want anything else on there. We do have these little dots. So let's come in with a few of the little green ones first. Then pink. And let's pop yellow up here because we don't have any yellow other than that up there. This little red one can go over here. And as we have is the hearts, and I love it. I think that this turned out to be very, very cute. And that is what I was looking for. So don't forget to head over to Cut to You and get yourself this beautiful cut file this month. And I will see you next month for a new cut file. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. But you see how all this is so pretty. And I will see you later. Bye.